Just like that, it's back to business, and that means more education for you guys. So let's jump straight in and show you the difference the base makes. Beginning with our new top secret brow product, we are just combing up the brows to give that fluffy effect. Off camera, we have gone ahead and added a sheer eye primer, which we're not going to speak of the brand because this works amazing for some people. However, when going in with the P. Louise technique, it's all about layers. It's all about a base being able to handle the amount of product you place over the top of it without getting the dreaded patch. So the technique remains the same, the product choice remains the same, however, the outcome, well, it speaks for itself. A sheer eye primer is amazing when working with soft bridal makeup. However, if you're going in for something ultra heavy, then it's crucial that your base is your best friend. It needs to intensify the shadows that even your worst performing eyeshadow palettes can perform. It's all about bringing that pigment. We are now reaching for base shade 2, our most popular shade, and we're going to go ahead and build up layers. We're going to make sure that we have a full coverage finish. Now remember, with the base, you customize the coverage. So if you want more of a sheer base, go in with a fluffy brush. But if you want the P. Louise finish, then I recommend go ahead and put a pat to perfection. The base was made to remain tacky, so that as soon as you put powder over the top, it grasps and it magnifies the colour payoff. Remember to go ahead and pat out any creases before going directly in with your shadows. And take a breath. Speechless. We simplify to intensify the process, so our pro-performing products are designed with you in mind. Invented to speed the process whilst giving you flawless results. The blend is seamless, yet oh so powerful. So yes, the base intensifies shadows. It gives you more of a seamless blend, but more importantly, it suits any skin type, meaning that texture isn't a problem here. It smooths out skin texture, providing the perfect surface for your shadows to be able to perform to their full potential. Its opaque finish is guaranteed to cover all pigmentation, unwanted brow hairs, and eliminates creasing. That's right, babe. It's up to 12 hours crease proof on even the oiliest of lids. We also have 11 shades to choose from, and did I add, we are also extending that range. Now speaking of the power of the base, let's also talk about the paint. So we're going to go ahead and show you one of the best products to cut the crease with. In order to get the benefits from the paint, it is essential that you cut the crease using either a makeup remover or Vaseline. You can then stamp out your shape, getting the perfect cut crease, and wipe away the excess with a wipe. This allows you to get the full benefits of the paint. Because the paint sets within 60 seconds, it's essential that you apply it directly over the skin. If it was to go over the top of the base, being a tacky product, it wouldn't set as quickly and you won't get that beautiful matte finish that the paint has to offer. Blank canvas is one of our best sellers, and here is the reason why. When working with a cut crease, it's essential that the product works with you, especially when cutting above the normal fold in the eye. So if you have small eyes and we're trying to give the illusion of a bigger eye, we're cutting slightly higher than the natural fold, then ultimately we could get transfer or cracks throughout the night. Of course, blank canvas lasts for hours on end, giving you the smoothest application. It doesn't transfer, and when I say it gives you an opaque finish, well, let's let the results do the talking. There really isn't anything on the market quite like it. Not with the benefits that the paint has. It sets matte in 60 seconds, it's perfect for cutting the crease, it's amazing within the waterline as it is tear proof, it is incredible for liner work, body art, you name it. The opportunities with this product are endless. However, when invented, it was mainly focused around cutting the crease. We needed a product that wouldn't transfer, that would work quickly, but it would also give us the coverage that we desired without needing to layer up shadows, because sometimes the more shadows that you pack over the top of a fold, they can crease throughout the night. You will not get this with the paint. It does not budge. It is tear proof and crease proof. Remember that we are working artists, so we know what's missing on the market. We see the gap and we get inventing to make your lives easier. Introducing Blank Canvas. This is going to give us the coverage that we need. We are taking a 7071 brush and we're stamping that product into place. Now the best thing about this product, you buy one bottle and it lasts forever. Such a small amount of product goes so far. Its opaque finish doesn't require the layers. And the best bit about it, shadows still blend like butter over the top. So we're going ahead and taking some new peeler shadows and we're blending them back into that blank canvas just to give us a perfect blend, and so that this floating cut crease blends in with the rest of the makeup perfectly. We're then going to go ahead and place some loose pigment over the front of that cut crease and see the difference in how it pops. We added the same pigment on both sides, and I'll let you be the judge. We have shown way too many new products in this IGTV. New shadows, new brow products, however, new paints? What shades are you thinking? New bases? What shades are you thinking? I'm here to listen. I'm here to make it happen. Both sides are equally as beautiful. However, if you want the peeler-ease finish, then it truly does require the peeler-ease base. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate you all. All my love, your girl, peeler-ease.